Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Restless Living. My name is Christian and today we tour Project 1323, designed by Jochen Lendle outside the southeastern Mallorcan town of Felanitx. The house stands on a rocked 2-hectare plot with breathtaking panoramic views over the entire island and has been conceptualized as a contemporary country house that masterfully reinterprets the traditional Mallorcan finca while responding to the island's incredibly strict building regulations. In this area, the presence of tourists is felt much less, and it is clear that the people living here preserve the original Mallorcan values. Anyway, let's head inside. From the moment we enter, we are met with the defining feature of this home, the central patio. This 2-story open-air void floods the spaces with natural light, seamlessly blending the outside and inside. If you look up, you see something special. A horizontal steel net stretching across the upper floor, acting as a giant hammock. Whether you call it a playground or a lounge space, it's a guaranteed favorite when the owners have guests. Don't worry, we'll get up there later. Emma the dog is just enjoying life. So cute. Project 1323 is arranged as upside-down living, meaning that the main spaces are placed upstairs and the bedrooms are placed downstairs. Let me show you some eye candy. Look at this. It is the guest bathroom, which has been named the Sound Studio. It features moss walls that absorb sound. Can you imagine? Guests always ask if it's real, and it absolutely is. I bet you haven't seen that before. What do you think? Next to it, we have the secondary bedrooms. This is the son's bedroom. It plays with an industrial vibe with terrazzo flooring, locker room closet, and black ventilation valves. The daughter's bedroom is similar, just with another color theme. But both bedrooms have a modern ensuite bathroom, mainly characterized by glass and a white finish. From any point in the house, you can look across the property due to the full height glazing of the central patio. From here, you can, for an example, look towards the home office and the flexible multi-use space on the other side, which has a range of entertainment amenities. The staircase connecting the ground floor to the first floor is a sculptural statement in itself. It's crafted from raw steel, and its floating zigzag structure appears to defy gravity. This minimalist but also striking design enhances the home's industrial elegance, reinforcing the seamless blend of materials and textures. Before we experience the kitchen and living section, I just want to show you the master bedroom. Here, the main protagonist is obviously this tunnel that has been formed by recycled timber from the Netherlands, mainly oak. Look at the textures, how it's basically guiding the eye towards the ensuite bathroom. It's an interesting detail, the playfulness of the glass door here. It works both for the shower and the toilet. I mean, you don't get much privacy from it, but it's at least a little bit playful. Another great detail is the glass floor here, right in front of the kitchen. Jochen Lendle told us that many of the guests are avoiding it because it feels a little bit daring to walk here, but it plays really well with all the glass around the central patio. The kitchen is characterized by the elevated island, which has been designed with an ultra-slim base to maintain the home's transparency and uninterrupted sidelines. All unit fronts and built-in cupboards are made from the same reclaimed timber as you saw in the bedroom. Since the ceiling of the finca is 3 meters high, a conventional extractor hood wasn't really an option, so Jochen Lendle went for a BORA Professional, as it was the first system on the market that consistently could suction cooking vapors downwards. The kitchen was even featured in the BORA magazine 2022, which is a true testament to its refined aesthetics. Next to the island, the kitchen extends as a piece rooted in tradition and modernity. It features an extra high double-sided cabinet, which just gives a little bit of extra storage space. The loft-like living and dining area was placed on the first floor to take advantage of the amazing views. The design embraces openness with bold yet cozy elements such as a suspended modern fireplace, a plush blue modular sofa that can be arranged according to needs, and a rainbow-colored modular bench that adds warmth and playfulness to the sleek modern visuals. And I think the exposed coffered ceiling is an ingenious detail, adding dynamic depth to the space. If we haven't already been spoiled, how awesome is this? A 50 square meters open air steel hammock. A brilliant idea for both kids and grown-ups. I absolutely love the detail with the palm tree in the middle, highlighting nature's crucial role in the architectural concept. The hammock also offers another layer to the experience by providing access to the rooftop through this floating spiral staircase. The vibrant glass panels are indeed cool, but let's be honest, we are up here for the views. This is amazing. The elevated position provides uninterrupted panoramas of Mallorca's vast landscape with forests and olive groves. Impressive, right? On the terrace, we can truly appreciate how the structure of Project 1323 relates to the context. The facade of the home is a striking reinterpretation of the Mallorcan vernacular. It is clad in locally sourced Mares sandstone and features large wooden sliding shades made from the characteristic Persianas Mallorquines. It fits in perfectly with the typical architecture of the area, which was a requirement to be able to pass the building regulations. Also, no trees were cleared for construction, and the house follows the natural contours of the land, positioned diagonally along this grazing path. As a result, I think the owners are privileged to be surrounded by these awe-inspiring natural surroundings, providing absolute calmness. I absolutely love the infinity pool. It feels so calm and with reflections. It's tempting to jump in, but it's kind of chilly and the water is cold. Maybe another time. What Jochen Lendle and his team has achieved here is something truly special. A home that is both grounded in history and pushing the boundaries of modern living, The combination of hard and soft materials gives the home the character of a residential industrial building. A finca reimagined for the 21st century, an evolution of the Mallorcan tradition. I hope you enjoyed the tour. See you next time.